Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable the video repost feature on the Instagram mobile app. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram. Open the App Store on your phone. Once you are on your home page, tap your profile icon at the top right. Scroll down and check for updates. If you see Instagram there, tap Update. If not, you are already up to date. The repost feature works based on public account. To switch to public account, first open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. After that, tap the three lines at the top right. Scroll down and tap on account privacy. If your account is private, tap to switch to public. It's free and you can switch back anytime. Now go back to the Reels tab. If you see the repost in the menu, the video reposting is now enabled. You can repost videos, and that's it. You have now enabled video reposting on Instagram mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.